So me and Chris just did a quick DIY science experiment. He's in high school too, so we do a couple of things. But he was like, we should make a weather vane, and I was like, okay, well, how can we make it using scraps that we have? And so we came up with an idea, and this is what it is. It's kind of ghetto right now, but as you can see, it's working, it's moving. It's gorgeous out here right now. It's raining over there. It was raining over there. It's definitely raining over there. So yeah, it's cool. This is the first start of it. We'll probably take it down, paint it, get some more upgrades and everything. But obviously, you can see it's working. It's spinning. It's making a noise. That's gotta stop. That's gonna be annoying at night. Yeah, it's a gorgeous day outside, and I mean, it's not gorgeous for solar power, but hey, so nice out here.